Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 19 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge account, where we try to build our account to $10,000 in the first year of investing. As you can see here, the portfolio is up to $7,310, so up a decent amount more than what it was in episode 18. I think there was a little bit of a dip in the market, and we bought at that dip level. So as the market came back up, we made some really good gains with that. So the past month, we're up $75. I think the past day was a good one, up $45 all time. We are up 11.87% or $775. So really good gains. You can see the staircase going up, and hopefully we can continue that moving forward. But as you can see kind of here, there's a couple little dips in the market. So let's try to buy when we can when the market's dipped, and keep moving forward. So today's gonna be a really cool one. We're actually gonna be buying my 3 favorite ETFs. So as we scroll down here, before we actually get to the investing, I just wanna update you on my dividends. So total, we've actually made $111 worth of dividends. 20 of those dollars coming from this month. So we're really raking it in with dividends this month, which is really exciting. Those are slowly starting to pile up. The first stock I want to invest in today is QQC.F. So this follows the NASDAQ 100. As you can see, if we go to kind of the yearly chart, you can see that the NASDAQ and the US market in general is a little bit down. So we want to take advantage of that, as I've said many times before, and buy at the dips, slowly dollar cost average, so we can build that staircase moving forward. So we're going to buy 1 share of QQC.F. Right now. I'm investing on a Sunday, so none of the orders will go through until Monday morning, but I'm just showing you guys me buying these specific stocks. The next ETF we're going to buy is one of my favorites. It's VFV. So this follows the Vanguard S&P 500 index, which, as you can see, over a year period, over a 5-year period, it's been up about 100%. So amazing gains. Again, a little bit of a dip in the US market as well, so we're going to buy 1 share of this as it's down. Last stock I want to buy, we'll see how many shares we can purchase. So we have $64 left. So we'll probably be able to purchase 1 share of VDY. Now this is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF. If we scroll down here, again, pretty good gains with this stock as well. It's still a little bit on the uptrend, but that's totally fine because we're more worried about this number here, which is 3.67. And that's the percent dividend yield that we're bringing in. So as long as the company is kind of stagnant or linear, then we're still making great gains. And because we started investing at the beginning of the pandemic, we're actually up $150 on this investment as well, which is great. So if we can, we're going to buy 1 share of VDY. Perfect. And that's it. So those are the 3 stocks that I'm buying. Again, my 3 favorite ETFs that I keep dollar cost averaging throughout the process of my investing journey. So again, we have VFV, VDY, and QQC.F. So scroll again to the top. Again, portfolio is up 11.87%, $775. Hopefully we can keep that climbing moving forward. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning into this episode. If you have any questions about investing, leave them in the comments. If you've never tried Wealthsimple Trade, there's a link in the description, and you'll get 2 free stocks if you sign up. So thanks again for watching.